Hello and welcome to our Unit 6 podcast on Section 14.4, Gas Stoichiometry. I am Mr. Sakaguchi,
I am Mr. Lin.
and let us begin. So, we can also do stoichiometry using volumes of gases. And basically, we can go back and modify our original stoichiometry map and include gas law equations. If you think about it, basically the idea here is that if we're given liters of gas, all we have to do is convert those liters into moles by either using the ideal gas law or by using Avogadro's number, 22.4 liters, if we're under STP conditions. And then we can go through and use our mole stuff as we had before in previous units.
And as in previous units, the critical step is still using the mole ratio. So moles of B over moles of A still plays a part with the balanced chemical equation. And using the ideal gas law and Avogadro's number, we can find out how much gas in liters will be produced in the product.
Now, you can see like this map is pretty complicated here on the right, and this kind of lends itself to because there are many different ways to ask these problems that may or may not include gases. So this is something that we'll be working on in class. If we're talking about gases involved in stoichiometry, we're basically very rarely going to be under STP conditions, so most of the time we're going to have to solve for moles or for volume using the ideal gas law.
So this will be, again, another one of those types of equations where you'll be given all but one of the values that you need. In this case, there are 4 unknowns or 4 variables that you have to plug in, or rather 3 out of the 4. But the one that you really have to pay attention to is the unit that the pressure is in and how it affects your R, or gas constant. So you have to memorize if it's in atmospheres, what kind of R you will have, or if it's in kilopascals or torr.